Manifesting. Macho pa ni Jason si Keme.
This is our grateful and manifesting!
I am grateful for 2025 because I have my family and friends who support me and besides me every time. And I manifest this year to do more better in life, school goals, and more moments with friends and kind of others.
Hindi mo Tagalog, di ba?
Ayan,
I am grateful.
I am grateful last 2025 to see our friends true colors. So that alam ko na yung gagawin ko. And manifesting ko ngayong year is, syempre, new car, more travels, and ganap with our
Friends.
true friends. At saka healthy fam and friends. Yun lang.
I'm grateful sa 2025 dahil nagkaroon ako ng car, nagkaroon ako ng business ng Eka Glow Animal Bite Center, and also maraming blessing din kahit papaano, Lord. And also, this is my manifesting 2026, more sales sa business ng Eka Glow Animal Bite Center, maging permanent sa work, more travel international and local, good health sa family and to myself, more bonding sa tropang Team Shield version 3. Yay! Thank you po.
Hello! So I'm grateful. I'm deeply grateful for my friends, family, and the new business we built this year. My manifesting, number 1, is good health for my family and friends. Number 2, manifesting this year is peaceful life and a home renovation. Number 3 is a more client. Thank you!
Hello, Tagalog lang ha. Okay. Sa akin muna, nagpapasalamat ako syempre yung family ko ay masigla pa rin lahat, mga pinsan ko. At nagpapasalamat ako syempre nung last year, tsaka lang kami ulit naging okay, nagkaisa-is ulit magkakaibigan. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Ang wish ko lang ngayon 2026 is maging successful lahat at magtuloy-tuloy yung blessing namin. Then syempre gusto ko maging good health yung pam ko din yung mga kaibigan ko. Para naman sa partner ko, syempre alam ko naman thankful naman din ako sa kanya dahil kahit anong nangyari, hindi niya ako iniwan. Kumbaga, sinuportahan niya ako kahit anong gusto ko. Then, ang manifest ko sa kanya, sana makagraduate siya at sana maging successful siya after ng graduation niya. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hi! I am grateful because kasi napunta ko yung mga gusto ko napuntahan ngayon. Nagkaroon din ako ng sasakyan, nakuha ko yung mga gusto ko. And I am grateful kasi hindi na bumalik yung sakit ng ate ko. And then manifesting more blessing and good health to us. Sa mga family ko, sa friends ko, sa mga relatives ko. Good vibes lang. Yun lang. Thank you.
Yo!
What's that?
Grateful ako ngayong taon kasi lahat ng magandang nangyari, nakuha ko ng partner ko.
Sana all.
Ang manifesting ko, maging successful tayong lahat sa family, good health and more blessings sa family and friends at magkaroon ng sariling sasakyan.
Hello po. I am grateful kasi buhay pa ako ngayong taon. And manifesting maging regular po ako sa work bilang field outreach worker. More blessed to come, good health. No more sakit. At magka-jowa, please.
Parang yung manifesting mo.
I'm grateful sa 2025 nung nairaos namin yung ni Kali, nagkaroon ako ng trabaho at di kami pinabayaan ng Panginoon. Ang manifesting ko naman, ang wish ko lang ay magkaroon ng lisensya, small business, kami ang dalawa ng partner ko, mapagawa yung bayad CR, tsaka bagong motor. Tsaka nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil binigyan ako ng mga kaibigan na ganyan. Thank you.
Hi, I'm grateful 2025 is napagawa ko yung bahay at more blessings talaga. And my biggest manifesting this year is makabili kami ng sasakyan at healthy family yan.
Vlog yan. Poking natin.
I'm grateful
Wait lang,
because I'm grateful because I'm married already and I travel a lot in Europe and good health for my family. I'm grateful there. And then my manifesting is I travel a lot this year with my friends and my family, and my manifesting Macho Pan Jason si Kame.
Hello! Yung ilaw, baka pinukuha na tayo ni Lord. Yan, I'm so grateful this 2025 because I'm still alive and kicking, having that, and 10 years since I was diagnosed. Then, for my manifesting this coming 2026 is still undetectable, good health, family and friends bonding, no more worries, no more fears, peaceful mind, peaceful heart, and peaceful soul, and of course, case closed, and more blessings to my family and friends, and of course, manifesting still more bondings to them from my friends. Yun lang, thank you!